Hello, this is your Congressman, Michael Burgess. It has been another busy week in Washington. Jobs and the economy are two important issues facing America right now. Unemployment continues to stand above 9%, and Congress needs to do everything possible to put Americans back to work. The first question to be asked is, why are American employers hesitant to hire new employees? I would argue it's due to the overregulation and burdensome requirements that have been imposed on them. Businesses across America are plagued with uncertainty about what new regulation will be handed down next by Washington. I understand the use of regulations to ensure safety and promote predictability in the market. However, every day someone comes into my Washington office to tell me of their fears of the avalanche of regulations that will increase their compliance costs. The Affordable Care Act levies unreasonable demands on employers, manufacturers, and providers that not only discourages hiring, but also encourages employers to drop their employee health insurance or punish physicians or tax industry right out of America. Shortly after the signing of the Affordable Care Act into law, large employers reported that the law would increase costs, force them to drop coverage, and lead to earnings losses. The strict medical loss ratio regulations are another provision that has proved overly burdensome not only on the businesses, but also on the states. Currently, 3 states have already been given waivers, and another 10 are pending approval. Now look, if a state realizes that their market cannot comply with this law, how in the world do we expect a small business to comply? The Affordable Care Act has proven to be unworkable and stifle economic growth. The overregulation incites a sense of uncertainty which discourages hiring, hampers economic improvement. Every day it seems we get another announcement about another rule going into effect. And then some of them come out as interim final rules which completely bypass public comment. Republicans are committed to putting Americans back to work. And if my colleagues on the other side of the aisle are serious about getting Americans back to work, then the first step should be to loosen the regulatory nightmares imposed by the Affordable Care Act. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Additional information on this issue and other issues before Congress can be found on my website, burgess.house.gov. God bless you and your family, and God bless Texas.